Hey friends, if Windows 11 Snap Screen is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now here's what Snap Screen does. If you pull an application to the corners, it will automatically resize it. So this is a very important feature, but you need to enable it, though it's enabled by default, but it can be disabled. So search for the word snap in the Windows search bar and then go to this option here which says snap window settings. Okay, make sure that snap window is turned on and then expand this and make sure that all of these options are turned on. If you are turning off a certain option, then that specific feature of snap windows will not work. So you can check through these 5 features and decide upon that. This is the most common way, and it will also help you in multitasking. But if it's not working in this case and you have checked that the setting is on, then the next solution will be to restart File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for it to load. Okay. And then right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart, the second option here, which is Restart. And once this is done, the next option will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will check for missing and corrupt files on the system and replace them and recover your system if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.